use of efficient JCB Ecomax engines and the variable displacement pumps. JCB backhoe loader customers can meet emissions regulations yet still boost productivity on site. And because we don't need to use a DPF or after treatment additives, there has been no need to raise the bonnet line on our backhoe loaders. The Ecomax engine will be available in 3 power ratings for the 3CX and 4CX lineup to suit the needs of all backhoe customers. The variable displacement hydraulic system no longer requires the operator to manually switch to eco mode, as the system senses the pressures and flow, prioritising automatically where the demand is required. This leads to lower lever efforts, reduced noise levels and rapid response to controls for up to 30% cycle times. Rather than daily checks, the transmission now requires a maintenance check every 250 hours, with transmission service intervals maintained at 1,000 hours.
We've got 3 new engine platforms, the Stage 3 being Tier 4. We've got a 55 kilowatt, 74 horsepower engine, which is very economical, giving up to 5% fuel savings over the previous 85 horsepower engine. In the mid-range, we've got the 91 horsepower, replacing the previous 92 horsepower 68 kilowatts. And at the top end, for ultimate productivity and performance, the 109 horsepower engine. So on the top end, you've actually increased the power rating, but on the lower end, you now offer a very efficient, highly economical 55 kilowatt engine. Also, the reason for doing that engine is it's design protected for Tier 4 final, so there's no modifications required in 2014 on the engine. What we're demonstrating behind here is some new features we've introduced. Firstly, the new hydraulic twin lock quickage. This is fully compliant to CE marking both current and future protected legislation, and the only quickage approved by JCB. The system is very simple in terms of operation, and there's no actual hydraulic lines running the entire length of the boom compared to conventional systems. The system operates by a flow system and sensors on the top of the dipper ram behind us, and then depending on the orientation of the bucket, you pick the bucket up, bring it close to the machine, and we'll demonstrate, and then through switches in the cab, you release the quickage. It will only release when it's in a certain position for safety reasons.